Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be reviewing the PRUVEEO Dashcam 4-channel camera FHD 1080Px4. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming reviews and unboxings. Now, let's talk about the features of this amazing dashcam. The PRUVEEO D94CH has a 4-channel design, allowing you to capture footage from the front, left, right, and rear of your vehicle, as well as the inside of your car. With a 150-degree super wide-angle lens and 3 inches LCD screen, this dashcam delivers sharp and clear images, even at high speeds. One of the most impressive features of this dashcam is the built-in GPS, which precisely tracks your vehicle's location, speed, time, and routes in real time. This is extremely useful for tracking your driving history and providing evidence in case of an accident. The PRUVEEO D94CH also boasts quality night vision capabilities, ensuring clear recordings even in low-light conditions. Plus, with loop recording and emergency accident locks, you can rest assured that important footage will not be overwritten and will be safely stored in the event of a collision. Installation of the dashcam is a breeze, and with no battery included, you won't have to worry about sun exposure or hot temperatures damaging the device. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and high-quality dashcam, look no further than the PRUVEEO D94CH. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this fantastic product. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.